X Air Jordan 1 High OG Alaska channels northern wilderness with icy blues and crisp whites, evoking snowy peaks and clear skies. Premium leather, exposed foam edges, and bold contrast stitching pair with the iconic red zip tie, orange accents, and Helvetica text, hallmarks of Virgil Abloh's off-white DNA. Merging winter-ready inspiration with high-fashion flair, it's both functional and grail-worthy. This release reflects Abloh's handcrafted approach, balancing rugged utility with runway sophistication. Every Off-White X Jordan drop sparks global hype, and Alaska amplifies the cultural footprint with storytelling and design mastery. As a limited edition statement piece, it's built for collectors and fashion-forward sneakerheads alike. While rumors suggest a possible delay into early 2026, nothing is confirmed, leaving anticipation high for what could be one of the most impactful collaborations in Jordan brand history.